So I haven't used a lace one before, so I don't know what to expect. But this lace system looks a bit thinner and a bit lighter, and I can feel it's way lighter actually, lighter than the skin-based one. And the problem with this one, I think what I've done is, obviously I haven't professionally checked with anybody to measure my head and the measurement basically, but I have calculated it myself and ordered. Last one was 6.5 inch wider and 8.5 inch longer, but this one I thought that was a bit, 8.5 inches was a bit too long for me. So I have ordered 6x8, which is, I don't know, it looks a bit smaller, but I'll see when I fit it in. I'll see how good it looks. The good thing about this hair lace system I really like is, as you can see, you can actually tell the hairline if you push it back in, and you actually cannot tell, which looks really like natural.